Hey Apple. Hi Orange. What's up? Wanna go swimming? Oh sure, let's go. Let's find strawberry. What is he doing? He's always so strange. Strawberry, what are you doing? Hi! It's you too! Come join me! Cool! And now dance! Ah, I'm so tired. I wanna sit somewhere. Ah, it's so nice here. Yeah, it's a nice view. Do you know who lives in those houses? I know. People. I heard they eat fruits. But I heard that they're also very funny and nice. Especially kids.
Hey,
Oh, watermelon! Hi! Join us! You know, there is a place where you can see yourself in the parallel reality. It's like in another way your life could have been. Like some other you living in some other place. Whew, that sounds interesting. Cool! Let's go there! I don't know, it can be scary. Really? Well, why? Nah, let's go! Oof, okay, I'll take you there. But your life might never be the same again. Cool! I warned you. Oof. Well, here we are. I'm not going in. I'm going. I'm curious. Huh? What is that? Apple, are you sure you don't want to go? Yes, I'm sure. Good luck! Orange juice! What is this? Ah! Apple! Look! We can become amazing healthy fruit salad! Wow, this was really fun. I hope some nice kid eats me for a dessert there. And we saw we can still hang out on the plate together. And now dance! Hey, I better go home. I'm reading a new book to my little sister tonight. I should go too. Dad wants me to help him around the dinner. Okay, thank you for one more adventure. Fun as always. And now,